Hello you guys, welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken Philly soul rolls. Very easy, simple recipe, just a few things you need and we can get this thing started. First of all, you need spring roll shells. Now I get mine, you can find this in any local grocery store, but I like to get mine from an Asian grocery store, Japanese grocery store, Chinese grocery store. If you can find one of their grocery stores, get one of their spring rolls, because the ones in the grocery store tend to break easily and it's very thin, and theirs be much better. So go in one of their grocery stores and get your spring rolls. Some block cheese, some shredded cheese, and here I have diced up onions and peppers. I have red peppers, orange, green, and green. That's it. So some pepper, that's in a separate bowl. Then another bowl, you need some diced up chicken meat, chicken breast. See, a diced up chicken breast. And you also need some olive oil. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the stove, which is delicious. You're gonna cook both of these separate. Now with the you're gonna go ahead and put some oil in here. Put some oil in the pan just to coat the bottom of it. Put a little bit more in there because that's a big pot for the. Now usually you can use a skillet for the chicken, but since I'm cooking a lot, I have it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put the skillet for the peppers and onions are done. Now we want to cook these until they translucent. You don't want them like all the way done, because they're going to cook more in there. You don't want no soft vegetables. So go ahead and get at a stir. And we're going to go ahead and cook this down. I'm going to switch pots because I'm about to do the chicken. So we're going to put that on that one. Use that spoon for that. And go ahead and toss your chicken in the big pot. Like I said, you can use a regular skillet, but since I'm cooking a lot, I just got a pot. And you're going to cook the chicken until it's all the way done. Now go ahead and cook this until it's done, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how everything looks. Okay, we are back and the peppers are ready. Let me grab. Okay, now the peppers are ready, but one thing you have to do, everything has to be drained and complete and cool before you wrap them. So I have a bowl right here in the strainer. I'm just going to go ahead and pour them in there. Okay. We're going to let this drain, and then when we come back, let this completely drain and cool. Then when we come back, hopefully the chicken will be done. Okay, we are back with the chicken, and as you can see, it's done. But I'm going to dump this in a straining bowl and let it strain and drain off. So when we come back, we're going to mix and roll. And also, we need some eggs. Get some eggs, we're going to whip them up because that's what's sealing. So we're going to come back and roll these brothers all together. And go ahead and turn on your heat. I have a deep fryer so we can fry it. Guys, we are back, and sorry. So you need you some eggs beaten up with a brush. I cut up me some, I did mozzarella. I'm adding mozzarella into this. And some cut up block Velvetta cheese. So it's very easy to do. Hold on, let me get my rolls. I forgot. And close. Okay, I have peeled away these wraps, and I also went on and mixed the peppers, onions, everything together, so I can just scoop it out with a filling. So let me show you how this is done. Take one of these sheets, you make it into like a triangle, so where it's like facing you like a triangle. And let me set these right here, put them in. So you take your eggs, and you just want to do the edges, because this is what, to make this all the way stick when you roll them. Just make sure it's completely coated on the edges. So giving this a good mix. Now you can add mushrooms, whatever kind of, vegetable you want with this chicken Philly, but I just did onions and peppers. So do a spoonful, and you don't put it in the middle, like almost in the middle, but not in the middle. So you're gonna put you a Velvetta on there, a mozzarella, and then like a pinch of regular shredded cheese. So you do that square like that, then you take the edges and you pinch the edges down. So once one edge is pinned down, you come over with it like that. Take this edge that's pinned down and come over with it like that. Now it's time for the tight roll. Push it back a little bit and tightly roll it. See, it's a completely roll. Now I got a pan over here, and just go ahead and wrap them. Okay, these are rolled. We're gonna go ahead and put them in the refrigerator, let them at least chill for like 15 or 20 minutes, and we'll come back. I'll show you how they look. We are back. We're gonna go ahead and drop the chicken ones in here. I like to put 3 at a time. Go ahead and fry them for about, 10 to 15 minutes. You want, not even that long. You just really want the cheese to melt and the quarter get crispy. So I'll show you how they look when we get back. Okay, you guys, we are back with the chicken Philly rolls. Let's go ahead and cut this open and see what it looks like. You hear that crunch? Oh, you can see. Look at that. Look at that. Now, you can use your dipping sauce. I made this. I'm going to make a video of how I made this, which tastes really good. But you can use ranch or whatever. Let me know how you make your chicken Philly rolls, what you use, and how you make yours. And let me know if you try mine and how you like them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all for tuning in with Talessia's Kitchen, this edition of chicken Philly rolls. I'm talking about chicken rolls. Chicken Philly rolls. Thank you all. Have a blessed day.